Hello, this is Yingge from Art of the Brush. So today I want to share with you an ideograph, 和, 和 is in Chinese, and the meaning of this ideograph is peace, harmony, or anything that will bring peace in your heart. You can see this ideograph as that symbol. So first I will start with a symbol that's very old. You can trace it back to thousands of years ago. So in ancient times, people start to carve the symbols on a hard surface, for example, on the wall or rocks or animal bones. So now I'm going to demonstrate this ideograph in its carved script. So what you can see from this symbol, just give it a guess. There's no right or wrong. How it looks like. You may already see there are two parts. The top part, it looks like a lid, like a top. This part is a symbol of mouth. It also can represent something like a container. So now you can see they're trying to fit these two parts together. It's like to fit a lid on the top of a container. We need to have the two sides nearly similar so you can fit them together. So in ancient time, people use this symbol that they can grab from their everyday life to represent this meaning of to fit two things together, to make harmony of two things. Now I want to show you the symbol 和 harmony when it's developed to a writing system called formal script. Now this is the formal script of the ideograph 和. As you can see how it's developed from the first beginning, this symbol, to this ideograph. So the top part becomes one ideograph human, and this is one stroke. And at the bottom, you develop as a square. Now what you can see from this ideograph, if you have already studied some basic ideograph or the strokes, you may recognize the first top, this two stroke. That means human, 人, human. And then this part is one stroke, that is one. And the bottom, this part, there are three strokes. that is 口 mouth or voice. Now you can read this ideograph very clearly, like everyone joined the same voice. Isn't that beautiful? To make peace, we have to understand each other. Because when we understand each other, we will be able to form the same voice. And only when we understand each other and draw the same voice, we can create peace and harmony. This is a simple but very powerful and profound ideograph. With each stroke, ask ourselves, how can we make peace with ourselves? And how can we make peace with the people around us? We can only make peace with others when we make peace with ourselves first. Now let me show you the same ideograph written in semi-cursive script. Now I will demonstrate to write the same ideograph, however, in an expressive way. That means I embodied my feeling and my understanding of this ideograph when I'm writing.